Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker in the Netherlands, and by a beautiful coincidence I have these two timepieces here in the workshop, and I have to share the story about it with you guys. It is well worth waiting until the end because this one is really special. Well, the first timer, a simple stopwatch, but issued for the Dutch Submarine division, the Onderzeedienst, and it is used in that particular vessel. It is the Zwaardvis, swordfish, and it's a diesel electric being used from 1972 until 1994. I am from 1972, good year, vintage. And it's a lovely story behind it. The guy who owns it is a dear friend of mine, David. Dankjewel voor het lenen. Geweldig, David Wortel. Because it is an issue for the Royal Navy, I have to say. And there it is. KM means Koninklijke Marine, and this particular watch, stopwatch, was used for diving because your own speed is a given, the distance to the next vessel is a given, so you can measure the distance you have to dive or surface. So this one is used for the really accurate positioning of the vessel, and I have to say it seems really important to everybody in the Onderzeedienst. The vessel is a boat, not a ship. So if I make a mistake, I am sorry. It seems really important. Please leave your comments and your thoughts on the difference between a ship and a boat. So this one is a really quite standard stopwatch. The difference between a stopwatch and a chronograph is a timepiece that holds the time as well as start and stopping, so measuring a certain time, but you can always tell the time. A stopwatch stops the whole movement, so with a stopwatch you can never tell the time. That is a huge difference. So a chronograph is more a timepiece, and a stopwatch is more like a measuring instrument. Well, here we have KM, Koninklijke Marine, and I think that is the tiger shark, and that is the swordfish. Again, diesel electric, beautiful stuff. But, and that is the coincidence, now we have this timepiece here in the workshop, and that's why I thought nice to make a video of them too. This one says KM, but that is not Koninklijke Marine. This one is Kriegsmarine, wartime navy in German. This is the actual stopwatch from a U-boat. I have to be very careful now to show the back, so I do it like this because of YouTube regulation, but I am sure you can see it is the real deal. I am not going to show the full symbol, but we are a watchmaking show, and the very interesting thing about this stopwatch, it is just a stopwatch. It's a Junghans, and with a technical cap on. It is not that really different than other stopwatches, but do you see this outer ring in red? Well, here we have the normal minute, that's a long one. Here we have the hour. This is the seconds. So 60 seconds is 1 minute. And here we have the minutes. So this scale is 30 minutes. But EU is Entfernungsunterschied. Sorry about my pronunciation, it is German. And that means the difference in distance. And it is 2 hectometer, so 200 meters. Again, sorry about the pronunciation, I'm only Dutch. But Entfernungsunterschied is the difference in, the difference in distance. And that is the fascinating stuff about this particular stopwatch, because it is a torpedo timer. Let's see if I can do it like this. Because the torpedo itself has a certain speed, but, and that is the fascinating stuff, the U-boat, the submarine, has got its own speed. So you are timing a difference in speed, and that is a difference in distance. So you've got your sonar for the distance where the target is. Well, it is a gruesome story, and I know a lot of lives are lost, but it's a piece of history, and for us a piece of engineering. So I'm a peace-loving guy, and not promoting any wartime stuff. But the fascinating bit is you don't ever see this red scale, and that is the difference in distance, and that is purely for torpedo timing. I think it's except from the gruesome provenance, of course. It's a beautiful piece of history and a beautiful timing instrument, which is just slightly different of all the timepieces we get here in our workshop. So lovely stuff, lovely piece of history, but we have to think of well, the horrible side as well. Hope you enjoyed the very short introduction of these two timepieces, but it was such a lovely coincidence that we have them both here in the workshop. I had to share it with you. If you like it, please leave your comments on our YouTube channel, Chronoglide. Please leave your thoughts, and well, if you like it, please like and subscribe. We do the live stream of watchmaking every Tuesday, 8:30 Central European time. So hope to see you soon, and you can join the live stream on the chat, and you can ask questions, whatever you like, about watchmaking, about timekeeping, stuff like that. Hope you enjoyed it. Lovely two pieces of history of the submarine divisions. All of you, thank you so much. See ya. Bye bye.